Welcome everyone. I am here with the flip through of my all cloth and lace journal, and it measures 9 inches by 7 and it's 3 inches thick, so it's a nice large journal, very chunky. The outside has a quilted fabric, lightly quilted fabric is the cover, and I have a doily, a crochet doily as a wrap around and a tie to keep it closed with a cute little vintage button there. And then I've also lined the spine with vintage buttons as well, just to kind of make it colorful and cute looking. So now let's get started on the inside of it. And so this is all the signatures are cloth, and there's lots of lace and other cloth ephemera and pockets and such. So in the front cover is a pocket, and I have covered this tag with cloth, and you can feel, yeah, well, you can if you had it. And then inside this lace pocket is a little pretty photograph and a little tiny notepad there, just tucked inside there with a little vintage piece of lace on the top. And then here is a vintage cloth pocket with a little tag on the inside for journaling, and then that fits inside this little bar here. And of course this is a real cute little doily, and that flips up, and inside is an authentic vintage postcard. And there's quite a few authentic pieces in here. I'll point them out to you as I go, but this of course is a digital that I've aged, a letter that kind of tucks inside behind that. And then the next page has a cloth collaged tag with a little bee, a little collaging on it, but you can write on the other side. I've stamped a bee here with the crown, and then of course a little doily or a pocket there on the side. Here is some more lace with a couple of digitals, vintage looking digitals tucked inside there. And inside this signature is these little tie closures, and this is another authentic postcard. And don't know how old it is, but with the 1-cent postage, it's pretty old. And this was actually printed in Germany, and it was sent here to the United States. And it's a real pretty rose there. And then another digital receipt that's been aged and tucked inside there. And on this side, I have made a little folder, like a old-timey photograph folder with a digital inside there and a place to write. And that's tucked in there. And here is another vintage aged receipt that I have put inside there. And there's a little charm. Oh, I forgot to show you. There's a little charm here that says "Choose Happy." And inside these two pockets are some seed packets I made with a little journaling card on the inside, and I stamped some flowers there, or excuse me, some butterflies, because butterflies and flowers go together. And over here in this pocket with a vintage piece of doily or covering is a little journal, one of the two little journals I have in here, and there are 36 pages front and back. And it's been covered with cloth and a little bit of lace. And this has some lace pockets on the inside for you to use, and little pieces of paper on the inside there. And over here is an authentic envelope, 1912 there. And it has the original letter is on the inside. And here we go. Here it comes out. Here's the original letter. Nice old piece of paper. It's really nice. And then there is this library catalog card, which definitely is a long time ago. I remember looking at these. And the pocket here is a doily. Over here is a couple little small doilies sewn together to make this cute little pocket-like, and I have little bits and pieces of circles in here that you can use to either write on or use in your decoration. And behind this lace pocket is a couple more aged receipts that I have made. And they live inside here. And of course, you can use anything. You can replace this and put other things in there, of course. And here is another vintage old letter envelope. There's no letter in this one, but it's 1899. And this is a old letter. And then I went ahead and made a digital letter. And these all tucked inside there. And this is the second little booklet. Again, it's 36 pages front and back. A variety of papers, and then we have little pockets there on the side. And these are made with a craft envelope. And then there's this little key charm right here that lives in there. And another deep pocket, so there's several deep pockets in here, has another postcard, original postcard. And it's very pretty. I thought the flowers matched the back of this journaling card. With some vintage lace there that lives there. I like these lace pockets because you can sort of see what's inside of those. In this pocket, we have this is an old bridge score pad, and this is a digital. And it has also, of course, this digital that lives inside that pocket there, or tuck spot. This has another pocket. It's empty, that you can put in whatever it is that you would like to put in there. And I have another pocket over here with a whole bunch of little tiny pieces of ephemera that you can use to decorate with as you journal. And it lives inside there. And here is a photo sleeve, and it has an original photograph of these two lovely sisters. And that fits inside there. And of course, you can replace that with your own photograph if you would like to as well. And that lives inside here. And here's another. I love this bird fabric. It's so pretty. And here lives another collage, cloth and lace collaged tag that you can still write on with this cute little bird looking at these other birds. And tucked in here are some more digitals. Oh, this is actually from an old pattern for embroidery. And this is all tucked inside that. Here is another cloth collaged tag. This lovely lace here, and a little owl charm. Here is another photograph. And this is an original photograph as well, of this handsome little baby here. And that lives inside there. And of course, you could replace that if you'd like. And then here is a sample card with different pieces of cloth that you can use either in this journal or another journal, whatever you would like to do. It's a really unusual, cute little piece. It's got cloth with crochet lace around it. And a rusty paper clip holds that in place there. And then the back cover has a pocket as well. And I have tucked in here these little tiny, tiny envelopes with little bits of coffee stained paper or tea dyed paper that you can write little notes on, and tuck them right inside here on these three little pockets here. Oh, and I almost forgot, yes, right here in the beginning, I forgot to show you this here. Inside this pocket was another sketch pad, and this is sketching paper that I have put on here. And there's probably half a dozen sheets, or writing paper, or anything you'd like to. And these are refillable. You can take these brads out and put in new paper. So that is one of these deep pockets here. So that is the journal, and of course the back here. And this will be available in my Etsy shop. I hope that you enjoyed that and got some ideas maybe for your journal, or maybe you'd like this for a gift or for yourself. It has lots of places of writing, and it's just a beautiful collection of fabrics and laces. So that's it for now, and please, next time I am going to be working on a sewing journal, so join me for that. You have a great evening. Bye.